Hi friends, I want you to picture this. So you sign up for a seminar, you attended an event, you sign up for a new course, and the whole day you're listening to amazing speakers that shared insights, data, trends, and you're feeling inspired, you're feeling motivated, and the notebook that you took with is just full of ideas and notes. So I want you to imagine all those notes that you took down are like this bag of seeds, right? All these ideas is like a bag of seeds. However, we all know that in order for plants to grow, you need to actually plant it, right? So I want you to imagine that I'm one of the speakers and on stage, I put on pots like this and I put on some soil and I put out some seeds. And I ask all of you, which let's say 100 of you to come on stage to plant your idea, to plant your vision, to plant your purpose, to plant all the things that you have learned. So we'll actually grow into something, right? 99 of you did exactly that. But one of you picked up the pot, put in the soil, but instead of putting the seed and plant the seed, that person decided to put the seed in his or her pocket. Now, it could be lots of reasons. It could be that, you know what, they don't want to get their fingernails dirty. They don't want to get their hands dirty. They might think, oh, what a silly exercise. But most likely, that person is thinking, you know what? I'll do it later. I'll do it later. But we all know that later very often doesn't come. And that's how a lot of the ideas just end up dying. So my question to you is this. After watching this video, what is the smallest action that you can take today? The smallest action that you can take today to help the idea that you have in mind, to help the insights that you have in mind, to put it into practice so it will grow into an actual plant. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Ciao.